Hello future doctors, welcome back to Cutoff 360. In this video we'll be discussing about NEET BDS Round 1 official cutoff rank for different colleges. Before we proceed highlighting the cutoff rank, if you have not liked and subscribed the channel, then make sure to do so to get more updates on various college-wise cutoff along with the course-wise cutoff. So first in the list we have Dr. R. Ahmed Dental College and Hospital, Kolkata. So as you can see on screen, for general category the cutoff rank is 32,698 and for OBC category the cutoff rank is 36,958. Next in the list we have Gurdwan Dental College and Hospital. So for general category the cutoff rank is 26,201 and for OBC the cutoff rank is 31,819. Next we have Agartala Government Dental College. So as you can see on screen, for general category the cutoff rank is 24,334 whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 27,879. Next in the list we have DC RIMS Imphal. So for general category the cutoff rank is 16,533 whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 33,113. Moving ahead we have Dental Institute, Rajendra Institute of Medical Science, Ranchi. So for general category the cutoff rank is 26,797 whereas for OBC the cutoff rank is 33,163. Moving ahead we have Goa Dental College and Hospital. So for general category for NEET BDS the cutoff rank is 31,291 whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 34,902. Candidate can make use of this cutoff to determine whether he/she can accept the seat or proceed with the round 2 counselling. Next in the list we have Government Dental College and Hospital, Srinagar. So as you can see on screen, for general category the cutoff rank is 27,325 whereas for OBC the cutoff rank is 37,841. If you have not liked and subscribed the video and channel yet, so make sure to do so to get more updates on various college-wise cutoff. Also, it encourages us to create more such videos for different college-wise cutoff. Next in the list we have Faculty of Dental Science, King George Medical College, University, Lucknow. So for general category the cutoff rank is 18,646 whereas for OBC the cutoff rank is 25,322. Moving ahead we have ESIC Dental College, Gulbarga. So for OBC category the cutoff rank is 28,506. Next in the list we have Pandit Bhagwat Dayal Sharma University of Health Science, Rohtak. So for general category the cutoff rank is 26,927 whereas for OBC the cutoff rank is 32,836. Next in the list we have ESIC Dental College and Hospital, Rohini. So for general category the cutoff rank is 14,264 whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 36,188. Moving ahead we have Government Dental College, Kannur. So for general category the cutoff rank is 22,431 whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 32,327. Next in the list we have Government Dental College, Silchar. So for general category the cutoff rank is 36,421 whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 40,319. Next in the list we have Government Dental College and Hospital, Pitna. So for general category the cutoff rank is 34,466. For OBC category the cutoff rank is 38,397. Also candidate, please don't mind the pronunciation because there are some places where the pronunciation of the place might not go exactly as the name is. So moving ahead we have Government Dental College, Pudukkottai. So for general category the cutoff rank is 31,472 whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 32,557. Next in the list we have Government Dental College, Thrissur. So for general category the cutoff rank is 22,199 whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 28,784. Moving ahead we have Government Dental College, Patiala. So for general category the cutoff rank is 31,652 whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 36,315. For Government Dental College and Hospital, Vijayawada, for OBC category the cutoff rank is 34,088. For Government Dental College RAM's Kadapa, so for general category the cutoff rank is 37,200, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 41,141. For Government Dental College Dibrugarh, for general category the cutoff rank is 38,283, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 38,827. For the Government Dental College Silchar, for general category the cutoff rank is 36,421, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 40,319. Next in the list we have Regional Dental College Guwahati. So for OBC category the cutoff rank is 37,083. Next in the list we have Government Dental College and Hospital Pithna. So for general category the cutoff rank is 34,466, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 38,397. Next in the list we have Patna Dental College and Hospital. So for general category the cutoff rank is 33,370, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 34,138. Also, if you have not liked and subscribed the channel, then don't forget to do so. Next in the list we have Government Dental College Raipur. So for general category the cutoff rank is 37,526, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 39,237. For Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Science, New Delhi, for general category the cutoff rank is 31,174, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 24,967. Next in the list we have Government Dental College Jamnagar. So for OBC category the cutoff rank is 37,300. For Government Dental College and Hospital Ahmedabad, for general category the cutoff rank is 29,211, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 35,831. Next in the list we have Government Dental College Rohtak. So as you can see on screen, for general category the cutoff rank is 26,927, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 32,836. For Government Dental College and Hospital Srinagar, for general category the cutoff rank is 27,325, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 37,841. Moving ahead we have Government Dental College Shimla. So for general category the cutoff rank is 34,576, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 36,033. For Indira Gandhi Government College Dental College Jammu, for general category the cutoff rank is 35,974, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 41,359. For Government Dental College Dibrugarh, for general category the cutoff rank is 38,223, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 38,827. For Government Dental College Bellary, for general category the cutoff rank is 33,550, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 36,002. For Government Dental College Alfonza, for general category the cutoff rank is 26,940, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 30,159. Next in the list we have Government Dental College Thrissur. For general category the cutoff rank is 22,199, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 28,784. Lastly in the list we have Government Dental College Kottayam. So for general category the cutoff rank is 21,067, whereas for OBC category the cutoff rank is 23,679. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and the data present in it, then make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Also, if you wish to know the cutoff for any specific college and course, then make sure to comment down the college name in the comment section and our team will be replying for the same. Thank you.